Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Sosio. Alright, now I am in Sabang Island. Sabang Island, the best beautiful island around the world nowadays. Not only people from Europe and then United States or Africa, Australia, but also a lot of people come to Sabang Island. Now I am one of the beach, Iboih beach. Every single day people come here to get snorkeling and then diving with their friends, because that's the very most beautiful thing. They make fun with their friend here. When you just look for sunset and sunrise, this is very nice location here. So I just suggest you, if you wanna come to come to Indonesia, don't forget to come to Aceh. Sabang Island is waiting for you, because Sabang Island very awesome and then very beautiful view, beautiful panorama, beautiful nice shot here. So I just remind one more time, just come to Indonesia or come to Aceh, because Aceh very great and then beautiful. Just is not from, because I'm a tourist guy, what? But don't worry about what. Right, my spins up. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. I think that's all. That's all for now.